Repainting. After all the, what do you call it, B?
Plastering.
Plastering. Look at the ceiling, guys. Full of bumps.
By the way, those bumps she's talking about wasn't created by me. That was the previous plasterer. Didn't sand it properly.
So this needs to be sanded. Oh yeah. It's gonna be lots of dust. Good luck to us.
Get the finger down.
Hey.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Barbecue hamburger.
For dinner.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Buns, buns, buns. Okay, go. Hot day, eh?
Oh, it's hot. That's right. Yes. It's not the best barbecue, but it'll do the job. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thanks, guys.